This video is going to demonstrate how to do a small self-paced test using images. When I say small, it's going to be limited to what you can fit on one screen, image-wise. So generally 4 or less questions. Let me show you how this would work. I've got my flip chart open. I need to go to my desktop tools. Click this icon. Now what we'll see here is just a simple math website. I want to take some of these questions and insert them into my flip chart and turn that into a self-paced question. Really what this is for is quick review. So I've got my desktop tools here. I'm going to move this to the side. I'm going to go to my camera and take an area snapshot. Move this out of the way. So if I'm able to take just this question, make sure I have nothing more than just the question. And I want to put it on my current page. Next, I'm going to grab a series of questions. So let's go number sequence. So then I repeat the process with 3 more, giving me a total of 4 images on the page. Each time, selecting just exactly the question and the answers and no more, and placing them on the current page. Now that I've reached this point, what I want to do is go back to my desktop tools, return to my flip chart. As you see, they're all jumbled together. I need to separate them out. I can draw some basic lines just to separate them to make it visually easier for some of our students to see. Now that I've got them separated out, I need to give some numbers to them so we know which question is which. Go back to my select tool. Here's question 1. Now it'll be important. Now that we have our page set up, it's important to write down the answer to question number 1, 2, 3, and 4. So when we go into insert our questions, we know question 1 is this answer, question 2 is that answer. Now that we've written down our questions, we can go up to Insert, Questions. Our first one will do multiple choice. We have 4 options to choose from, so we can get rid of the extra 2. The question will appear on the page, so we don't necessarily have to write anything there, but we're going to give the student options. We'll indicate that that is the correct answer. Click Apply. We now need to add a new question onto this page. We have many to choose from, and we'll choose numeric. Click the plus symbol to add the question. We can erase this here, and we'll type in our answer here, and that has been assigned the correct answer. It says time limit here, so I'm just going to go ahead and add this. Let's say 10 minutes. Click Apply. Repeat the process. So we have our first question, our second question. Our third is going to be a yes, no. Add that. We can get rid of this. The correct answer would be yes. Click Apply. Choose our next and our final answer, and this would be a numeric as well. Let's apply our 4th question. Erase this. The correct answer would be 17. Click Apply, and we click Done. Now you would click Power On. You'll be able to see Colin and what he's answering. What I would do is move this off the screen, so that way the student could then answer the questions. So we can see Colin is on his 3rd question. Oh, and he got that one wrong. And there we are. So this was self-paced questioning using images.